Hey, good morning. So, dito tayo ngayon at Mueller Tunnel on our way to Mt.Lowe, Mount Deception trailhead. So just come along as we go along for the hike. Alright? Sama kayo. Pretty much there's melting snow here already. You can see all those water dripping. Matulo na siya kasi tunaw na yung natutunaw yung ibang yelo. So like what the saying goes, there's always a light at the end of each tunnel. You see all those dripping water here, and I'm passing by the tunnel, going to the other side, going to Mt.Lowe. Mataas yung tubig, guys. There you go. We just came out at the end of the tunnel. Kasi bye. So sama kayo as we go along to the hike. Alright? Okay. So guys, I'm still on the trail going to Mt.Lowe. So cold on this trail. So I'm still on my way going there. And sama lang kayo, come with me as we go along for the hike. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, water tank there. We are approaching by another marker here on our way to the hike. It's the Mt.Lowe trail camp hiker. The Mt.Lowe trail camp marker. So let's look for it. Okay, let's find our way to it. All right. So yeah, actually guys, we took the Mt.Lowe base camp trail. So it's like a 1.2 or 1.25 mile away from the marker. So just come along as we go along for the hike. Alright? Sama kayo. Hi guys. We have hit by another marker up here, going all the way to the Mt.Lowe. Weather right now is kind of cold. It's really cold right now. It's like my location, it's like 41, so we'll try our best to reach the summit. Come along as I go along for the hike. Okay, sama lang guys. Right guys, I am summiting now Mt.Lowe. Woo! Cold here, 39 degrees. There's a little snow now. Christmas day hike. Alright, so I'll be coming down kasi it gets slippery here and it gets really cold and it's kind of dark. So thank you for coming along in this video. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Alright, thanks. Enjoy our adventure, mga rock stars, mga ka-Eleganzza. Alright, thanks. That's a lot of